In this brief session, we're going to learn how to insert additional objects in our presentation to enhance our presentation. So supposedly we have our presentation here. I have the outline, I have the various components for this presentation. Now I want to insert objects in the current slide. So what I would suggest that you do is go here under the Insert tab and notice that you have a whole bunch of objects here that you can insert. By the way, the process for inserting an object and tweaking it, it's pretty much the same for any of those. First, if you wanted to insert a new slide, notice that this option, it was on the Home tab and it's also here on the Insert tab. All you'd have to do if you wanted to insert a new slide, just click on it, and we learned that earlier as well, and we have the content for that particular slide. Now the next thing that's learned here is how to insert pictures. Inserting pictures, this option here, it's for pictures located in your computer. So in this case, we click on Pictures and then locate the picture wherever it is in your computer and then click on Insert. When you insert it, then notice automatically the Design Ideas option comes up, and then we can pick a design from here. And we learned about this earlier. Now notice when you're working with images, and this is a very cool feature, and this was implemented in Office 2007 and on, notice that for any of those objects, if you click on the object or the picture, notice you have those tools that show up. And these are referred to as the contextual tools, the tools that are displayed in the context of what we are doing. So if we are not tinkering here with the image, notice that disappears. If we click on the image, notice we have this new set of tools for the actual picture. Notice that we have picture styles, and we have all kinds of other ways to manipulate this object. The idea here is that you can apply styles to any of the objects here in the presentation. To apply a style here, you can simply select or highlight or just hold the mouse on any of those, and it will give you the live preview here. Notice there are additional options here, and pick any of those designs from here. Now once you have chosen a particular design, notice that you can come back here under the Format tab for this object, for this picture, and you can change additional items here. So let's say you don't like an outline for it. Let's say you want to change the effects as far as whether you want shadow and such, or three-dimensional components. You can all tweak it from here. If you wanted to adjust this object as far as the three-dimensional view for it, you can simply select it from here. Additionally, you can crop this picture, and if you had multiple pictures, you can also bring this picture forward or send it back as well and manipulate the positioning of that particular picture. So the idea here is that you are selecting an object, and then you are looking at the tools available at your disposal for manipulating this object. Next, we're going to learn how to insert pictures from the web.